Cubelets BOT Builder is a 12-lesson STEM enrichment program where young learners build their own robots that move, sense, and adapt. Using Modular Robotics building blocks, 1st through 3rd graders learn how to make robots that react to their surroundings through scaffolded, collaborative lessons. They experience the engineering design process hands-on as they combine different cubelets that think, sense, and act. This enrichment program includes all of the supplies needed for up to 30 students to complete the activities. Recommended for summer camps, out-of-school time programs, classrooms, and homeschool co-ops, the 12 one-hour lessons can be combined or spaced out to suit any program schedule. Like all of our enrichment programs, Cubelets BOT Builder comes with an instructor guide that outlines everything you need to direct each lesson. With daily STEM connections, material lists, objectives, standard alignments, background reading, and scripted lesson plans, Cubelets BOT Builder is a turnkey experience that fits almost any learning environment. This program is aligned to habits of mind, 21st century skills, Common Core English standards, and next generation science standards. Introduce young roboticists to a lifelong love of STEM with Cubelets BOT Builder.